The U0100 diagnostic trouble code indicates lost communication with engine control module or powertrain control module. This critical error means your vehicle's main engine computer cannot communicate with other systems. The engine control module, or ECM, also called the powertrain control module, or PCM, is your vehicle's main computer. It manages engine timing, fuel injection, emissions control, and communicates with dozens of other systems throughout your vehicle. Communication happens through the Controller Area Network, or CAN bus system. This network allows the ECM to talk with the transmission, instrument cluster, body control module, and other systems using high-speed digital signals. Initial diagnosis begins with confirming the U0100 code using a professional OBD2 scanner. Check for additional U codes like U0101 or U0102, which indicate communication problems with other modules. Modern diagnostic tools offer real-time CAN bus monitoring to observe communication patterns. Cloud-based platforms can cross-reference your U0100 code with manufacturer technical service bulletins for vehicle-specific solutions. Recent examples include Ford TSBs addressing U0100 issues in 2020 to 2024 F-150 and Explorer models, often related to gateway module software updates. General Motors OnStar-equipped vehicles have shown increased incidents related to telematics module conflicts. Understanding the U0100 code is the first step in diagnosis. Proper initial assessment with the right tools and knowledge of manufacturer-specific issues will guide you toward an effective solution. The first step in troubleshooting U0100 is verifying the ECM or PCM power and ground connections. This fundamental check eliminates the most basic causes before moving to complex diagnostics. Ground circuit integrity is equally critical. Test ground resistance, which should measure less than 0.1 ohms. Poor grounds are a common cause of communication failures. Next, test the CAN bus network itself. With the ignition off, total network resistance should measure 60 ohms. This indicates proper termination resistors are present at both ends of the network. With ignition on, both CAN H and CAN L lines should read approximately 2.5 volts. This indicates the network is properly biased and ready for communication. The most common causes of U0100 codes are corroded connections, damaged wiring, and module failures. Visual inspection often reveals obvious problems before expensive testing. Use a bidirectional scanner to test module communication and responsiveness. Modern diagnostic tools can monitor network traffic and identify which modules are not responding. Based on your diagnosis, implement the appropriate solution. Clean corroded connections with dielectric grease, repair damaged wiring with proper gauge wire, and ensure all software is up to date before replacing expensive modules. Remember that proper diagnosis saves time and money. Following this systematic approach will lead to accurate repairs and prevent unnecessary part replacement. Always start with the basics before moving to complex solutions.